We got some fellow travelers coming in, more than likely from Nong Khiaw, the river. Hello, where are you coming from?
Nong Khiaw.
Nong Khiaw, the 5-hour trip?
More.
Oh, more? Why more?
Started at 7 hours.
7 hours. How was the trip?
Good, but glad it's done.
But what?
Glad that it's done.
Oh, and it's a lot. Yesterday the river looked very rough. It looked.
The river is fine, but sitting on that bench is below sitting.
Oh,
Stand up.
but luckily you're not too many people. I was here. I did the trip coming this way. It was a full boat, but that was 8 months ago, high season.
The first boat till the dam was full.
Where are you from?
Austria.
Austria, and
Yeah, also.
nice.
You?
Nice to meet you. I'm from Washington, D.C. Just doing a quick YouTube video, if that's okay. All right. They're from Austria, right? Austria?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a beautiful country. Beautiful city of Austria, where the capital is
Vienna.
Vienna. I've been to. Very beautiful.
Good.
Cup chai.
Okay, you captain. Buy ticket.
You the captain. How much is the ticket?
Muang Ngoy là 5.
500 kip. No problem. There you go, everybody. Fellow travelers, foreigners, coming in from, what is it called? Nong Khiaw?
Muang Khoa.
Nong Khiaw?
Muang Khoa. Muang Khoa. Muang Khoa.
No.
Muang Ngoy.
Muang Ngoy.
Nong Khiaw.
Nong Khiaw, Nong
Muang
Khiaw.
Ngoy. Nong Khiaw. Muang Khoa là from here.
And from here, tomorrow, you go to where?
Muang Ngoy. Are you go to Muang Khoa là stop soup cam okay, sleep soup cam okay. No, sleep soup cam là sleep Muang Ngoy okay, sleep. Nong
Cup
Khiaw,
chai.
okay.
Cup chai lai. He's got all the good information.
Open yang.
There you go, Papanyang. This is Laos. We are in Muang Ngoy. Muang Ngoy. Look at that. Pure village life. Natural mother nature. We got the villages. Like I said, I was here about 8 months ago with my twin brother. Saw a huge snake. The captain actually said it was an anaconda. They have anacondas?
Yeah.
Anaconda snake have or no have?
No.
Anaconda snake?
Yeah.
Have?
Have.
Or no have?
No. I don't know.
He doesn't know. It's okay.